Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Ergonomic Problem Solving Series. So what we had was a reorder where they ordered 2 of these arms this time. It kind of takes the place of an overhead system that can be cumbersome to move in and out of a machine. So what they wanted to be able to do was align over a 50-pound part on a cart and be able to grab it. And then also gives them the versatility of having 240 degrees of rotation when they need to put it inside of a machine, a 5-axis machine, put it down. And then from there, we also gave them the ability with a hook and a magnet, so that way they can pick up different parts that weigh up to 120 pounds, different steel parts that they have inside the shop. Thanks for tuning in this week. Give us a call to solve your problem, 1-800-837-2503.